What is up, everyone? This is Motorals here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam must be running to play this game error that you may be getting. So let's get right into this. So there's two quick ways to fix this. The first thing is click into the bottom arrow over here to basically find the Steam thing and do exit Steam. A lot of times just doing this will usually fix this error. Like, you can run the game back on, try Steam, like basically try to play the game back on and see if that fixes it for you. If not, Steam is most likely still running, so you want to open up Task Manager by basically right-clicking at the bottom taskbar, then clicking Task Manager. In here, find anything that basically says Steam. So like, I'm just going to use this Microsoft Edge as an example, and then do end task. Again, anything that says Steam, end task for it all directly from here, and then try to turn Steam back on in the game, and you should be now good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. So that's all you guys need to do. Basically follow those steps, again, either from the bottom arrow key or from the Task Manager, to essentially resolve this error. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that more tutorials out. Peace.